What? Have it do that, take it off, and then have it go to the other side, you mean?
Yeah.
Sure.
And then put it back. Yeah.
I'm getting bit and I'm at too many. Oh. Sounds like a you problem.
So, it's trouble.
It is.
It's really trouble. That is way too much.
Yeah. And now it's the other side.
It's very interesting. This is real science here. We learned something.
This calm wind can blow that thing over.
Oh, it scared me.
You thought it was a shark coming after you?
Yes.
Yep. Okay, so if we make it rest on the top floats, it can be level, but other than that, we're kind of in trouble. I'm
going with my, what if we just have the bag?
Dad,
Yeah.
my slipper floats better than it.
Yeah, but this is...
Your slipper is a more stable boat than my boat.
You didn't make it hollow, did you?
It's not exactly hollow, no. There's a lot of plastic on the inside in this one. Well,
Oh my god, there's even more mosquitoes here. There's these little bugs, I don't even know what they're called.
oh, there's also wind, but there's not that much wind here.
Just the bag. Do you have another one?
Another bag, yeah.
Vincent, what's the scale on this one?
I'm not even sure.
Because you were saying if you do you do slow motion video to
Yeah.
assess it.
Well, that's if we were.
Father?
Your turn. That's if we were having waves come through. And
Right.
this doesn't even need slow-mo yet.
Yes.
There's another one on the out there. Yeah.
The plastic bags are heavy enough to balance it.
Well, that's interesting.
I got mad at me there.
What?
I don't know. I think I stepped on a crab.
The ultimate end goal.
Well, of course, the ultimate end goal, it should be stable. So the last one that we did, the 4 floats are just, round, and they have lots of buoyancy at the waterline. And so even if there's a little more weight on one side, it still stays pretty flat, right? But this is not working.
And how big?